Alright, here we got a nice big chunk of pressure treated wood for the dock, and I've taken this piece of wood, it's 12 feet long, and I've got two dock posts separated by 10 feet, and I'm going to install this piece of wood underneath the dock as a rail. So here I'm just taking off the existing bumpers off the dock and doing some measurement of where my brackets will go. So measure it on both sides, and then I'm going to pound the brackets in just to make a mark before drilling. So I do two brackets on each side, pound it down, get the drill out, and drill the holes in for the brackets. And the theory here is I'm going to be able to bracket these things to the lower part of the dock. So I'm pounding the brackets in here, and I'm making sure it all measures up nicely, and it does. So it's a pre-fit from the top, and then I'm going to be able to spin that to the bottom and have that installed for a new brace on the side of the dock. And then you take the other end of it, and I'm going to try to hold the boat away. Take the other end, we're going to flip it around like this. Alright.
Take the flag off?
It's going to go, yeah, it's going to go on the inside of the pole there. So it's going to go down here. So,
yes, I know, underneath.
Yeah, so I don't know if you can hold it there. You got it? Alright, so we're under the boat right now, and we are tightening the brackets right there. There's one bracket there, and there's one way down the other end, and that'll form the board that is needed to bump against for the boat. And there it is a long way. So I got to put two more brackets down here, and I'm freezing my ass off. Just saying. Alright, JD here again. So I'm in the water, back of my boat. Let's just swim around here. There's a big engine there. Huge engine. And my problem was the boat's too low and the dock is too high. And the bumpers are becoming not effective anymore. So I thought, if I lower this dock, as I said earlier, there's a whole lot of dock posts that you have to jack down, and it takes around 3-4 hours on your own to lower this dock. It's an amazingly hard job. So what I decided to do, using my engineering brain, is I bought a 2x12 by 10 inches wide piece of pressure treated wood, and I bought these brackets. I think I mentioned it earlier, but I bought these brackets that look like this, and you saw me earlier drill the holes, and now I've got the front ones in, and I've got them all the way up to the edge here. I don't want to go beyond there, so now we've got to pound these in. And if you look at the end, see if I push the boat out a bit. Yeah, can I do that? Yeah, so you can see it goes all the way to the end there, which is pretty cool. And the boat's pretty wavy out today, so it's a pretty big lake. There it is there. And so when the waves pick up here, this boat would pound against the dock, and if I don't have this on here and the bumpers go too low, then they press against the frame of the boat, the pontoon boat, and not this part of the pontoon boat. This is where you want it to be pressing, right here, because this is solid, right? So this is a Legend Cottage plus EXT pontoon boat, 24 feet long fishing boat. It's a pretty cool boat, and I do fishing off this boat. So now I got to pound this in with a hammer and get this all done, tighten it up with the brackets. That's what it looks like from the inside, and get this thing finished. So once again, I'm taking a lot of movies these days, but this is a movie of me working, so actually doing work and putting this piece of wood in. My wife helped hold the other end while I put the first bracket in. So that's it. So JD, thanks for watching my channel. Hopefully it helped. I know I did a movie a while back of changing the prop on my boat, and a lot of people like that movie. So that's it for now, and stay safe, and I'll catch you later. I'm freezing my butt off in here.